Welcome back to Ghost Dogs of Boone Lake. We are going to be continuing on with our game. Okay, so we're in the speakeasy, and we have to, loose the spigots. Because she was like, oh, there has to be
The spigot won't move.
Yeah.
There must be a way to unlock these spigots.
So we have to unlock the spigots, and I think I remember how to do that. First I was like, oh, I don't remember how to do that. And then at the last second I was like, oh, I think I do. Yeah, I gotta go to this thing. I think that's it, right? Let's go see. Yeah, I got it! Okay. Before we do this puzzle, I know I said I wouldn't talk to Bess and George in the last video, but I think I'm gonna go talk to them again. Okay, you know what? I actually don't care.
Bye, you guys.
Good luck, Nancy, and stay in touch.
She doesn't mention anything about the speakeasy, and I thought she would, so she's just saying things that we've already figured out. So, back to the speakeasy. If I remember correctly, this puzzle was like somewhat difficult, so I might speed through this, but we'll see. So, okay, so I know they all coordinate with the color, and I know what initial they need to be on. So. Okay, perfect. Keep that there. Okay, we need to... Zada! Good. Okay. Whoa. Magic. Let me turn off my phone notifications. Gotta go find the secret passageway. Oh. Excuse me, doggies. I wish to leave. I don't remember how to leave, guys. Oh. Dapper dogs. Let me out of here! Right. Oh, duh.
It's too dark.
I need a flashlight. What is this light? Iggy. Map. Oh, my mouse did not like that. Vitus. Circle. Lucy. Map. Xander.
Xander played by the pump, which is right here.
Oh. Wait, but she never said... Well, I guess it's obvious that Lucy's gonna be over here. Because she's on the lake. Okay. Huh. It's a wall. Y'all hearing that? Okay, and yeah, the map is this one, which is, oops, 125. This one here. Okay. So, Iggy's here. Lucy will be over here. Let's see. Right now. And then here. 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 Ah, got it. That's why you always guess.
That doesn't sound good.
It never is, Nancy.
It's some kind of lock. It's some kind of lock.
Huh. Alright. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Oh, what? I can't go that way. What is that?
So you're the ghost dogs. You look pretty real to me.
Can we talk about how these dogs are just like kept down here? In this dank cave? That's kind of cool. Give me that.
That's the speaker I saw in the house.
Careful, last time you saw a speaker, someone clobbered you. I wonder if these have to do... Oh, wait, this was one of the other games. And I think this one was too. Yeah, I remember these two. Okay. Wait, what? Lose 50 pounds in a day and live? Okay, no. Time for plan D, as in dog. If you write that, if you're a villain and you write that in your notebook, I hope you get caught. Malone and his stupid puzzles can take a flying leap. Phew, what did Bruce and Meryl roll in during exercise time? Might as well give them all a bath. Or give all of them a bath. Dogs can be stinky.
These dogs have been trained to act vicious on command.
Okay, let's turn that off. We don't want... Okay. Pizza. Dental glow. Who sells that?
I bet the dogs attacked Sally's house because a high-frequency signal was transmitted to them through the speaker I saw on the roof.
Poor doggies. Animal
You've been
abuse.
trained to respond to a silent signal from this thing, haven't you?
Puppy. Good doggies. Yeah, just like look at this place though. That's creepy. That's creepy. Alright, let's go. Do I have to do this puzzle again? Can I just open the door? Okay. Is it... Hey. Okay, it's the rocks up there. That's right, because the boat like crashed on the rocks. All right. We'll remember that
It's
for
some
next time.
kind of lock.
Yes, Nancy, you have the key. Go. Okay. Save. Yes. Oh no! Classic. Alright. Let's see if I remember how to do this puzzle.
It's locked.
It's locked. Water. Okay. I'll take that.
The wheel is spinning, but nothing's happening.
Gotta get my little wrench. Nice. Think we should be good then.
I'm this close to finding the gold. I just know it.
Okay. Maybe it's down here. Yes, this is the Roman numeral puzzle. What are these down here? Anyways. Okay, so green was Lucy, which is 50. Xander is X, which is 10. Vitus 5. And Iggy is 1. Gotta go back up and get the wheel, I guess.
I'd better make sure this door is closed all the way before I fool around with anything else.
Why? Why are you so mistrusting?
£600 of gold bullion. Wow.
Wow. Alright. Oh no.
Hey there, Nancy. Why, what on earth have we got here?
Oh no. I gotta take her on. Ah, man, I messed it up. I was gonna kill her again. Oh well. We'll do that after I'm done. Get your screwdriver,
There's
Nancy.
plenty of gold here. We can share. Let me out of here, Nancy.
No, don't go. Girl. Okay. Here we go.
Nancy, wait. Let's talk about this. This can just be our little secret. You scratch my back, I scratch yours, remember? Nancy?
The gold's all yours, Em. Enjoy it while you can.
Oh, got her.
Dear Ned, as soon as I got out of the tunnels, Emily had left a door open. I called the sheriff. But when I led him back down the well to the room where I'd left Emily, she refused to leave. He and his deputies finally got her out, but one of them said afterward that if he had to choose between getting a bear away from her cub and getting Emily away from that gold, he'd pick the
Dude,
bear.
it's Emily.
What's worse, by the time they took Emily away, the place was swarming with reporters from all over the country.
face of
The commotion
disappointment.
has scared away every bird for miles. I'm pretty sure Red Knot would like to strangle me. On the other hand, when Ranger Akers found out that 7 cars and 2 helicopters were illegally parked on park property and that he was going to get to ticket them, he was ecstatic.
And he
Tucker
got
Davis finally
fired.
cleared away that dead tree, which means I'm free to drive home. Moon Lake is beautiful, but I've had enough wildlife for now. Which reminds me, did I mention that those 4 ghost dogs are actually very sweet? They're so sweet, in fact, that Sally is seriously thinking about adopting them. How's that for irony? Ever yours, Nancy. Bess, hi, it's Nancy. I'm at this little amusement park on the coast. I wish I could say I was having a wonderful time, but the fact is, some pretty spooky things have been happening here. There've been some strange accidents, and the carousel, it starts up in the dead of night all by itself, like it's haunted or something. You know me, I don't get scared very easily, but I saw it myself, and I'll call you later. I've gotta go right now.
Biggest catfish ad in the world. So disappointing. That game was so disappointing. Alright. Can we do... There we go.
Hey there, Nancy. Why, what on earth have we got here?
We can take her. Come on, we can take her, Nancy. Let's shut this door. We can take her. Come on. I'll get you. I got my screw... Hold on. What do I have? I got a hammer. Let's go. You and me. You got a bone. I got a hammer. Let's go. Let's do
I can't
this.
let Emily catch me.
No, we can take her, Nancy.
Can't let Emily catch me.
We can take her. Come on. Let's go. It takes her a while to get down these stairs. Well, oh well. Well, thank you for watching and for joining me on this year-long expedition of Ghost Dogs of Moon Lake. I might be playing other Nancy Drew games, not Haunted Carousel, but this one and the Haunted Carousel and then Secret of the Clock are the only 3 I've played, minus, I actually started the first, let me think. Which one is this one? 7? I think this might be 7. So I've played the first 7, and right now I'm on... Oh, I don't even remember the name of it. But once I'm done with that, I might play the next one, which will be fun because I'd be going in blind, so you get to see my genuine reaction, and I get to take even longer doing puzzles. But yeah, we'll see. Thanks for joining, and have a great day.